Nielsen's Harvest to Home is an interactive dashboard that provides users with up-to-date consumer trend data on a range of vegetable commodities on a single platform. The dashboard uses data collected by Nielsen's Homescan panel from 10,000 Australian households to give vegetable industry members an insight into how their lines are performing in retail settings. In this video, we'll take you on a walkthrough of the Harvest to Home dashboard so you can get a taste for the great information that's available. To access the Harvest to Home dashboard, visit harvesttohome.net.au. You can view a quick summary of an individual commodity or choose to take a deeper dive into some of the sections. The latest highlights section covers the last 52 weeks for particular commodities. After choosing a vegetable line, you'll be able to see data for dollar sales growth, volume growth, and household buying behaviour, as well as retailer share and growth information. The Market Overview section shows commodity performance and household buying behaviour by state, giving you a picture of regional retail performance. This section also gives you data for your chosen vegetable's performance compared with its competitive set, the other vegetables that consumers might buy instead of your lines. It also includes the percentage purchased on promotion, so you can better understand promotional activity for the vegetable. Retailer Overview looks at where consumers are purchasing their veggies and the split between major supermarkets, other supermarkets, and other retail channels such as greengrocers and markets across the country. What households buy shows the percentage of households buying, frequency, dollar amount, and volume for each commodity purchased per year, with information on how this figure is changing over time. Who is buying looks at how different demographic groups purchase vegetables. This category splits participants into 7 life stage groups and can also be filtered by income level. This can help you understand the type of people buying your lines, which could give you ideas for how to market or package your vegetables. The 2-year trend looks at figures over the last 24 months for both the percentage of households purchasing a vegetable line and the average amount they spent. Delving further into consumer opinions, the What Households Think section of the dashboard provides information on what consumers think about the vegetables they buy, including their understanding of varieties, the formats they purchase, and the importance of provenance. The dashboard also features case studies undertaken as part of the Vegetable Cluster Consumer Insights Program project, including deep dives into vegetable lines and interesting trends, like a recent case study on how affluence can affect purchasing habits. Finally, the Quick Facts section shows a 1-page summary on commodities covered by the dashboard, including dollar and volume change, household buying behaviours, and demographics. The Harvest to Home dashboard is a fantastic way for vegetable industry members to better understand their consumers, allowing them to make future decisions with the consumer in their mind. The dashboard is updated regularly to ensure it contains the latest Nielsen data, and vegetable levy paying growers are able to access further, more detailed information by contacting the Hort Innovation and Nielsen teams at harvesttohome.net.au. The Harvest to Home dashboard and accompanying reports are outputs of MT17017 Vegetable Cluster Consumer Insights Program and intended for use by Hort Innovation, the Australian vegetable, sweet potato and onion industries, and other stakeholders in the context of understanding and diagnosing market performance and shopper behaviour. MT17017 has been funded by Hort Innovation using the vegetable, onion and sweet potato research and development levies and contributions from the Australian Government. Hort Innovation is the grower-owned, not-for-profit research and development corporation for Australian horticulture. More information on how to use this dashboard and its accompanying outputs can be found on the homepage. For more information on Harvest to Home, please visit harvesttohome.net.au.